So I'm here early today, just me. Came out here super early just to try to get this stairway opening trimmed out first with this nosing. And then I'll need the floor kind of next to it, kind of tie it all in first. It's gonna be kind of tricky because there's a lot of measurements here that need to be perfect. And all the tongues and stuff need to lock in perfectly to the trim so it's real flush. I'm gonna get it cut and dry fit, just kind of loosely dry fit. And then I'm gonna get it all cut out, laid out, this whole strip here. Basically this whole thing, get it all squared away, and then I'm gonna lay out the glue and get it all in place and nailed and stuff. So I'm just gonna go slow and take my time and hope for the best. All right, so this was a pain in the butt, I'm not gonna lie. All the trim out part is done with all the nosing. And so it's just kind of sitting there, but I need to glue it down and nail it. And so I'm gonna glue my first run of flooring with it. So I'm just gonna organize and then I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna do my first row of flooring. I think I'm gonna do it right here. So I'll do this row here, and then I'll fill in back here, and then that'll all be stable and done. And then I'll build out this way, and then along the front of this stair nosing of our first stair down. And then I'll go all the way that way, and then I'll fill back into the kitchen there. This actually won't be as tricky as I thought it was. I'm just gonna start on this side, work my way this way, get this done, and then move over there. So I won't be running against the clock for the glue drying, because that's what I was worried about, is just having to glue a bunch down. The trim pieces aren't totally level, just because of the way that they kind of rock a little bit, but they are the right trim. It's just they kind of rock, so you want to set the glue for the nosing and the flooring at the same time so that they can kind of dry together and be totally flush. Because if I were to go through and just glue all these down as is, then when I went to put the flooring in, that glue would already be dry, and so I wouldn't be able to make it level out, you know, together. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. Okay, so I've been working on this piece for a while. This stair is not square. It's square here, but it wasn't square over here. And so what I did was I took this piece of wood, stair riser, and I ripped it. It's from 3/4 thick down to like a 1/2 inch. And so you can see kind of in the middle, it starts to come this way. So that squares this out completely. And I just, use my table saw and all those saws to accomplish this because I didn't have a blade that was big enough to rip straight through that. It's about 7.5, 8 inches. This allows everything to fit super snug, and it won't screw up my first run. So you see these are super tight. I'm gonna pull all this up, throw down some glue that in place, then yeah, screw a 2x4 in here so it keeps it real snug. And then I'm going to run that all the way to the wall and then work my way back this way. And that'll keep it true and square so I don't get screwed for when I go out this way. So that's my goal today, is to finish that. It doesn't look like much, but this stuff just takes forever. I'm headed out. It's late. I'm here all day. This thing took forever to get done, but you can see I got done what I wanted to. It just took a lot longer than I thought, but we'll be good because I got all the tricky trim out stuff ready, done. So Anna and I can come back and we just got a straight line here. We just got a straight line to just finish. So yeah, it's way more fun with Anna. And this was way harder without her because working together, we just freaking cruise. So I'm thinking next time we come out here, if we give ourselves enough time, we could floor this whole thing because it's just a straight shot. But I'm definitely gonna need more glue because that glue doesn't go very far. So yeah, I am sore and I am tired. So I'm gonna pack up and get out of here. Peace.